Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm sorry it's been so long since I've done a video. Today we're going to be doing a Carl's Bait and Tackle unboxing. So let's see what we got in the package. I'm just going to dump this whole box out. We don't need that. Alright, so we'll just kind of throw this stuff over to the side here. Alright, so first up, we got two Googan Sqaud Gridiron football jigs. We got a 1/2 ounce and a 1 ounce. One is in Cowboy Craw with a 5/0 hook. You guys can see that. Pretty decent. Next, we got the 1 ounce, and this is the Okeechobee Craw with a 6/0 hook. Next up, we got the Googan Sqaud hammer hooks, size 5/0. Oh, there's a rubber band on there. Can't wait to try those out. Next up, we got the Googan Sqaud hammer Buzzbait. We'll try that. This one is 3/8 ounce, and it is white, of course. Next up, we got the 3.3 inch Googan Bait Saucy swimmer, and this one is in pearl white and green pumpkin. Really excited to try those. Next up, we got the Googan Baits Pure Passion 5-inch Lunker log. This is green pumpkin. I love this because most of their baits are all coming in this clamshell packaging, which is great. Next up, another pack of the Lunker logs, and this is watermelon red flake. Next up, Googan Sqaud Zinger Spinnerbait. This, I believe, is in Bluegill. It's 1/2 ounce. Yep, Bluegill. Comes with a number 2 Colorado blade and a number 4 willow blade. Next up, we got the Googan Sqaud split ring pliers in the 7-inch. Anyways, I needed some new pliers, so I figured try those out. Next up, we got the Googan Sqaud Hummer Buzzbait. Oh, I guess I got 2 of these. Yep, I did. So I got black with a gold blade and white with a silver blade. I believe they're both the same. Yep, 3/8 ounce. So anyways, guys, that's kind of keeping it short and sweet and to the point. And there's going to be a lot more videos coming out that is fishing related. I'm kind of stepping away from doing all the other stuff I was doing. So anyways, guys, if you guys like the video, please subscribe, smash that like button, hit that little bell notification so you get notified for when there is a new video. Stay tuned, guys, and thanks for watching.